All right, every single time you use your Traeger Flatrock Griddle, you absolutely have to clean it, re-season it up. It only takes a few minutes. You want to do this once you're completely done cooking for the day, and you don't want to leave the grill out because it will attract bugs and critters and stuff that you do not want around your house. So let's get to just cleaning this up so next time we go to use it, it's super ready for us. All right, I seriously hope it doesn't rain during this tutorial, but we'll just do it as fast as possible. All right, so technically you want to do this step while your grill is still hot, but sometimes that's just not the case. Like in my case, I had a delicious, wonderful burger to enjoy, and then I had to finish up some work. So I shut off the grill, and now I'm gonna reheat it up. But normally after a cook, we try to do all this scraping and everything to get it clean right away. So the first thing you need to do is this handy little scraper. Look how cute it is. It kind of looks like a spatula, but it's not really. This is gonna help us, once the grill is heated back up, scrape everything down into this little hole that I'm gonna show you. And just so we're clear, this grease chute where all the stuff is going, it goes down into, hopefully you have your little bucket set up right here. And you want to make sure to take this out every time you're done grilling. So now the big pieces of food have been sent down the chute. We're going to make sure to take that chute, the grease pit thingy, with us back inside the house. We don't want to leave it outside for the bugs. You know I hate bugs if you watch this channel and see all the bugs that go on in Texas. But now we have to just basically like heat up every single flame of the grill, and you want to basically burn off what is left mingling around there. Right, and here we got our water. These squeeze bottles are perfect for cleaning. Okay, so grab your little squeeze bottle, and you're just gonna squirt some water on it, especially if there's any areas that have really like burnt on. You want to hit it with some water, and then the heat, it's gonna like help you get more into that little shooter canal. All right, it is actually raining, so I'm gonna hurry this demo up really quickly, but now I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of oil. If you have some Traeger Flatrock conditioner, you can put that on as well. I'm gonna use some oil. I'm gonna get a bag to put my dirty paper towel, and I'm gonna get tongs so I can wipe the oil around. Let's go, baby. I'm pretty sure like a torrential downpour is coming for us, so I don't even know if like we're gonna last very much longer. But basically we just have about 5 to 10 minutes left now that it's been oiled. It's going to burn off the oil, and then we should be good to go. All right, we've lasted like 2 more minutes. I just keep like cutting and redoing, cutting, redoing. So this is completely burning off. Once it is done smoking, we have it on like high right now. Once it's done smoking, we're gonna let it cool down for another about 10 to 15 minutes, and then make sure that we have the gas turned off, make sure we take the little grease bucket out, make sure we unplug the electric, especially because it's freaking raining right now. And then we're gonna close it all up, put the cover back on, and we'll be ready for our next cook. Well, if you have anything else you're looking to cook on the griddle, please let me know. Until then, I'll be uploading all my little vids for you. All right, bye.
The grill?
The oil.
How'd it go cooking the